Hey guys, I stumbled upon a free texture map generation tool called Materialize, for which I want to show you a short introduction. You can download the application from this page here. I added a link to the description below. On this page you also have some tutorials, for example how to create dirt or brick textures from a diffuse texture. And this is actually what this tool is all about. You add diffuse textures, also known as albedo maps, and then you create other textures like height or normal maps from this. So I'll go ahead now and download the application. It is available as zip file but for Windows only, and here you can see we have a Unity player DLL. Yes, this tool is created with the Unity game engine, so hopefully they will provide it for Mac or Linux as well. After starting Materialize, you can see a kind of box in which the material will be displayed. You can rotate this. This is a 3D object by holding the right mouse button down, and the first thing I do is to load a diffuse texture. I downloaded this from textures.com, the link is also added to the description. This is a metal texture I selected, and after that it is shown in this box. This looks pretty good already, without any height information. But anyway, we are going to create this now, the height map, so I click the create button for this. Okay, now the box is kind of tiled on the right side, the height map is displayed for the current settings. And now you can play with these settings to adjust the height map. The rule here is the wider an area or a pixel, the higher it is displayed. Furthermore, you can also adjust contrasts to create sharper contours. Okay, I will stick to these settings now, so I click on Set as Height Map. To see the effects now on the material, you just have to click on Show Full Material. Okay, looks pretty nice. You can change the environment as well. This is the option Next Cube Map. And this can be used to see how your material will come out for different lightings and HDRIs. The next step is to create the normal map. The base for the normal map is the height map that we already created. And now this is already a great material that we could use in a game, or perhaps you would like to use the normal map as a kind of texture stamp in an application like Substance Painter. Alright, now I'm creating the other maps, the metallic, the smoothness, edge and ambient occlusion. Just play around a bit with the settings to get a feeling for it, what looks good, what doesn't. The method is always the same. You click on Create for a particular map and then you adjust the settings. What you can also do is to tile your map. You can do this here in Materialize, or if you use the material later on, for example in a game engine like Unity or Unreal, you can of course adjust these settings in the engine as well. Okay, to save the textures now you define a format. I use PNG. And then you click on Save Project, define a file name and then click Select. The wording is a bit strange for saving textures, but here you can see it works. We created 6 textures that you can use now in the game engine of your choice, or for example in a 3D application for your model like Blender or Substance Painter. So guys, I hope you liked this short introduction to Materialize. As I said, it is free and the link to the website can be found in the description below. If you like my channel, then don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you'd like to support me, you can be my patron. Thanks a lot guys, and I'll see you in the next one.